The morning of June 12, 2016, I got a call from Jeff Orange saying, we need you down here right now. And so we went into action and went down that day and started to talk to first responders.
We spend a lifetime seeing things that most people in the civilian world won't see. And we cram that lifetime of visions and trauma into sometimes one shift. And if we didn't have an avenue like UCF Restores, a lot of our guys would not be working still today. A lot of our guys might not even be on this planet today.
Our mission is to change the way that post-traumatic stress disorder is diagnosed, understood, and treated. We want to break out that stigma that PTSD is not something from which one can recover.
Being able to skip past some of the hurdles that we normally find when we talk to counselors and therapists and get right to the effective treatment, UCF has done fantastic things.
The most effective treatment for post-traumatic stress disorder is something we call exposure therapy. And it means in order to get over your fear, you have to be exposed to the elements of that fear.
Those VR systems really help put you back into what it was, but they do it safely. And you have somebody to say, okay, we're gonna let your body calm down. And when your heart rate calms down and your breathing calms down, then your brain starts to listen and say, okay, the danger isn't here.
It's really incredible to be a part of that process and be able to see them and help them through this, because there aren't a lot of resources out there, and the fact that we can do it for no cost and eliminate so many barriers for them is truly rewarding.
I think it's extraordinary. I do hope, as this does expand, that it broadens the reach of the University of Central Florida. And to some degree, maybe around the globe, the whole world is touched by what we've done right here in Orlando.
The effort and the time that they take to get to know our culture and to be competent in the therapy that they provide for us. I would be remiss if I didn't thank them for that, because I have friends that wouldn't be here without UCF.